What's up, guys? I'm back with another repair video. Y'all remember the Acura? I can't remember what year this is. I believe it's a 2002. But this is the Acura that yeah, I believe it's the Acura. He told me it's unlocked and everything, but this is the one I did the blower motor on. And now he called me back like a week ago talking about the battery was going dead. So I believe he went and got a new battery already. He's talking about like something about still having issues. Well, you see he's been working on it already. I just barely pulled up. We got tools everywhere. Oh man, I'm about to charge him extra for this, man. I didn't know I was working behind another mechanic. What y'all think? Charge him extra? Dang, man, we got fans disconnected right here. Yeah, I guess, I don't know. Maybe he doing me a favor by starting already, but that means, hey, if something not working, I'm out, man. We get paid on the spot on this one. Dang, they got the belt off already and everything. Alright, guys, I gotta get busy because I'm probably parked in an illegal parking spot. So I'm gonna get busy and I'm gonna get this alternator out. Good thing it's on top, but man, it's scary working behind people. So let me get busy. Appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. I'll put out repair videos continuously, relentlessly, guys. So if you like repair videos, hit that subscribe button, hit that alert button if you want to be the first person to get the notification. I'm gonna start doing rewards for people that's the first one sharing, the first one that's commenting, that's subscribed to all my platforms and stuff. So you know what I mean, look out for that in the future, and let's get busy, y'all. Alright, guys, got the old one out, heat shield. There's a new one. Got the fan out. Took this hose apart. Got laying over. You know, he did a lot of work himself, but might charge him extra for you know what I mean, it's kind of throwing me off, throwing my game off. And I don't know how stuff go back on because I didn't take it apart. But anyways, keep on going. Get this new alternator, get ready to put that in, so I'll be right back. Alright, guys, so I just got everything put back together. Y'all see I got a little mess going on. But we're gonna just barely cranked it up right now. We're gonna wait like 10 seconds and see if that battery light's still on right now. Y'all can hear it whining right now. It's the sound of an alternator. Sounds smooth though. Alright, guys, that's good. No battery light. The battery light's right over here, so I'm gonna crank it up and battery light goes off. So this car ain't been cranked up in probably like a week or a little bit less, so that already tells me that the alternator is working because it's charged up immediately right when we turn it on. So I'm gonna just start cleaning my tools, guys, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna I don't know, just press the like button, hit the down like button if this wasn't helpful, like button if it was helpful. I appreciate you guys for watching. See y'all on the next video.